Davison here. I'm a design team member with Scrap Shotz, an online scrapbooking store run out of Calgary, Alberta, Canada, that also offers pop-up shops and as well crafts and participates in a variety of the various scrapbooking events that happened in and around Calgary. And I'm a design team member with them for a while now and just absolutely loving every kit I get each month. And this month, for the month of January, I am playing with Wild Whisper. And this is the Wild Whisper Where to Next collection. And what the extra special thing to me about Wild Whisper is they are also a Canadian company. They run out of Calgary, Alberta, Canada as well. And they started up just a few years ago, probably more than a few now, and are just really doing a fabulous job at kind of hitting the market there in Calgary, which is great. So without further ado, this is the kit that I received. I will start it off with just kind of walking through each of the pieces, and then I'll go through the paper as well. So I received the Thickers Stay Tuned. This is a foam letter sticker, and you can see that it is a white sort of iridescent foam, or plastic top, not foam. And then it has a pinky peach on the inside, so you can kind of just see a little bit of color there, and it includes both alphas and some punctuation and numbers, and it is all in caps locks. There's that. With the kit, and you'll see when I go through these papers how much this match, I also received the Nouveau Crystal Drops, and this is the color Copper Penny. And I just love these. These kind of give you the same look as an enamel dot, but with a little bit more control on the size of the dot that you want to create. You can also use them to cover wood veneers and a whole bunch of other stuff. So really excited about that. I started to collect a few of the Nouveau Crystal Drops from kits from Scrap Shotz, and I'm loving that I'm starting to get a good variety of colors because they just look so good on so many projects. Also included, super excited, is this exclusively designed for sequence mix from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and this you'll see matches the papers exactly perfectly, and I love this. Is extra special to me because I'm also a design team member with Spiegel Mom Scraps, so this is like the most perfect crossover ever, so that's really exciting. I love that, and just love that, like that pop of blue in there is just gorgeous. Also included is the Where to Next ephemera pack. So this is getting to the actual Wild Whisper stuff, and I'm actually going to open this up. It's really loud. And just to show you a few of these in a little bit more close up. So good solid cardstocky paper there, really cute. Lots of little phrases, planes, tags, a variety of cameras that I'm now throwing around. Just super cute. Love that there's different sizes of the cameras, some different tags. Photos are a return ticket to a moment otherwise gone. Luggage, again, some more phrases. Lots of these little, more cameras. Lots of these little planes. Just super cool. And I'll just show you the back side here really quick so you can see all the variety that's there. And just a really nice hard cardstock that these are on, and they just look really good. The colors are quite true and really quite vibrant, which I love. So that's very fabulous. Also included is the Wild Whisper Where to Next. This is the Flare. I'll open this up so it's a little less shiny. Bear with me here. Good. Come on, you. All right. So these match beautifully with that ephemera pack. You can see it's got the cameras there, a few sayings, so much world, so little time, another plane, the luggage, and again that globe, which I just love. You can see how great that matches. Super fun. Love Flare. Love it. Love to mention, I never worry about, here's some pieces I dropped, I never worry about how big or fat my pages are. I really don't. I just put less or more in the album. So this is the paper that comes in. So this is the Wild Whisper Where to Next. Oh, sorry, this is 6 sheets double-sided plus 1 bonus design. That's fun. So we'll pull these out. And the Wild Whisper papers are really good, solid cardstock paper. So this is the cover page, but as you can see, this is totally usable. I mean, this would look great with a cut file cut, so you get kind of all the different patterns in there, which is really great. Put that there. It's almost like if you've used a Pink Fresh Studio mix line, and their paper has got like that really solid cardstock feel to it. This is the same. I would say it's probably near the same pound. It's just great. So love the luggage, super cute. Love the little pops of blue in there. It's absolutely my color, that teal color. And then this is the back side, or the little postage stamp. So that's really fun, and a really great branding strip as well. Totally useful. Love that. This is really neat, the kind of color scheme of the kit here, which will make it really easy to sort of go through cardstock paper and match it up. Very good idea. These are the various cameras, some vintage, some kind of newer. Well, I don't know, I guess maybe a point and shoot camera is now vintage with everyone using their phones. And the back side of this, oh great, is this journaling page. So much world, so little time. Oh, that's just fabulous with all those lines. That's great. And look at that branding strip, the luggage again. Super, super cute. Oh, look at this. Cute. Oh, I might need to fussy cut this. Sorry. I digress. Here's another one, and you can kind of see it looks like the world, because you can see like there's the Golden Gate Bridge on it. Like it's all kind of the signature things that you would travel the world to see around each of them. And then there's sort of a watercolor messiness over each of the circles to color it in. And then there's a colorful postage stamp there, which is great. And then another branding strip. So much world, so little time, just over and over again. So that'll be great to use, even cut up as phrases on various pages. Love that. And here is some tags, some shipping tags. Great idea when it comes to travel. And then the back side is this sort of full leather kind of luggage type of thing. And I do know there are some luggage cut files out there, so it'd be kind of neat to cut this into sort of luggage and then build on that from there. That'd be cool. Here is speaking of luggage, a real picture of luggage piled up. Some interesting pieces there, that's for sure. Some broken, love it. That's true travel, right? And then the back side of this is the Peach Airplanes that is a bit distressed. So hopefully that kind of comes through a little bit. You can see there's kind of some discoloration there in a beautiful way. And then a really great branding strip on this one as well. Where to next? And I forgot to show you the branding strip on that last one, which is those little wee baby cameras again. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and then there's this guy, which is photos are a return ticket to a moment otherwise gone, where to next. This looks like all the sayings out of the collection, all the phrases, which is great, and then little tags. And it's black, but it's not white. It's like a tinged blue color. I would say probably near to the very blue that's in the collection. Just an off-white kind of blue-gray color, which is great. And then there's the cut aparts, which is just awesome. Oh, these look really good. Love the little squares. Those are perfect. Oh, these are super cute. Let your feet wander, your eyes marvel, and your soul ignite. Love that. And then another really cool branding strip there as well, which are the little tags. So that is that's 6 double-sided sheets. So it'll be interesting for me. I definitely am one of those people who likes to lean on having 2 of the same sheet because, well, I don't know, it feels easier to cut into when I have that. But really challenging myself through the kit process that I will only have cardstock in doubles, and it's really made me think of paper differently. Like, just cut into the paper. It's gonna be fine. You know, don't hoard the paper kind of thing. So this is the kit there. I think it's gonna be really good. You can see just how fabulously those sequins match. I'm excited to do that. Would be neat to do like a shaker luggage or something like that. And then here's all those ephemera pieces. And it does it say how many are in the package? It doesn't, but from a quick glance, I would probably say there's 30, 35, 40 in here probably, with all the little pieces that are in there, which is a great amount to really embellish, layer up, all of that good stuff. So that should be good. It'd be kind of cute to do a little shaker pocket and kind of build these little planes in with that shaker as well. So that is me. That is the kit I'm going to be playing with this January for Scrap Shotz, and into February as well. I will get this unboxing video up right away, and then quickly start showing you some of the goodies that I create, because I'm really excited to get into playing. So I hope you're having a wonderful January, and thank you so much for watching.